Hello, you are watching Raise Lighting YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you functioning of tunable and dimmable lights with remote. This is the new system in lighting which has come into market, in which you can change color as well as dim light as per your choice. So let's start. This system is available in Raise Lighting from 6 watt to 30 watt. At present this light is 6 watt and functioning with this remote. Now the first thing is to set the light with remote. So to set it, we need to switch on the light and press any digit of your choice 3 times. For example, here I am pressing digit 8 for 3 times. So let's switch on the light and press 8 digit 3 times. And as you can see, the light blinks 3 times. Now switch off the light and on it again. Then press 8 digit, and by pressing this digit you can switch off the light. And by pressing this green digit you can switch on the light. Now let's come to features of this light. First feature is you can operate n number of lights with any single digit. Now let's move to second feature. This feature is amazing. Let me explain it with an example. Suppose there are 6 lights operating on one switch. 3 lights above the dining area and 3 lights above the sofa area. You want the light above the dining area to be bright daylight and light above the sofa area to be dim yellow. So you can do that just by setting the light before installation. So how to do it before installation? It's very simple. The light which are to be installed above dining area, you have to set it on 1 digit. And the light above the sofa area to be set on 8th digit. After setting the light, install it appropriately. Now switch on the light, press 8th digit, and by pressing this button, now switch on the light, press 8th digit, and by pressing this button you can change the color of the light, that is dark yellow, and by pressing this button we can dim the light. And the light above the dining area, press 1 digit or any digit on which the light have been set, and then by pressing this button you can bright daylight color, and by pressing this button we can brighter the light. Now you can see here are 3 Roman digits which also work same as other digit on the remote. So there are total 12 digits, 1 to 9, and 3 Roman numbers on which you can set the light. Now let me show you some more features. As you see, here are 3 buttons, S1, S2, S3, meant as scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. This feature is useful to set theme of light. As we have already set sofa area light dim yellow and above dining area light bright daylight. Now that we have set the theme, press S1 button until the light blinks. As light blinks, your desired scene has been set. Same way you can set scene on S2 and S3. These were the features of tunable and dimmable lights and a quick guide on how to operate with remote. You can check us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. Do like, share, subscribe, and also like our Instagram and Facebook page. Thank you for watching our channel.